Alright, working on a 2017 Chevy Malibu. These are 19 millimeters. Break them on the ground, then lift them up and remove the bolts, and you can take the wheel. But right now, let's focus on getting this out. So spray a little bit of WD and spray a little bit around here too, just in case it's stuck to the hub, because that's not moving. So I think that's stuck. Now to break this, it's a T30. Nice and slow power. Take your time, make sure you got the exact right size. If you have both wheels jacked up, what you can do is you can turn this just like that to get access to here. And right here, that's already not good to see. Clip. Okay, 14 millimeter. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty, just like that. And here, it. And get this here and draw the end just a bit, nice and slow like that, so that you can pull this up and out. And look at that, another clip rubbing. Get this here, push it in and squeeze back nice and slow. Beautiful. Get ourselves a hanger, turn it like this, put this through there and hang it up just like that. Yep, 21s. What I'm gonna do here is get your 21 piece of pipe and pull up just like that. Get it here. The same thing. Pull up just like that. Pull you up and out. Beautiful. And then walk you up and out. And then here, I'll pop these out. If you have new ones. And get them like this. Other side, like this. Beautiful. Pull this out, clean this up. Beautiful. Give me this. Wonderful. Yeah, just like that. Great. Just like that. Wipe it off. And this stud right here. Just to line up. Good. That's it. Finger tight. Okay. Slide this back in. Just like that. Give you guys an idea. This is the old pad style. Look how much more advanced this is. Much more advanced style. Notice, squealer goes on the inside. There we go. Really firm, but we got them on. And slide these bad boys back on. Just like that. Good. Just like that, you guys. We're all done. Thanks for watching. Till next time, out.